Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Dr. Saloni Nandan. Today's lesson is on some common verbs that most people use. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये verbs की list मैंने कैसे बनाई? The list of these verbs is composed by linguists, many websites and many people all over the world. अब मैं इन verbs की लिस्ट दूंगी आपको, उनकी प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, पास्ट फॉर्म और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म बताऊंगी with some examples that will provide you an understanding of these verbs very clearly. I recommend that you watch this video multiple times और इस verbs को मास्टर करने के लिए वीडियो को बार-बार देखें. So let's start. Let us look at the present form of be. Present form be की है be, is, am, are. Past form be की है was, were. Past participle be का है being. अब sentences देखते हैं. She is a good student. ये है प्रेजेंट और she के साथ क्योंकि वो सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन है हम is लगाते हैं. They were playing cricket yesterday is the past form of be. I have been to America. ये है be की participle form और participle बनाने के लिए हमें have लगाना जरूरी है. Present form of have is have, has. Past form is had. Past participle is again had. Let's look at the sentences. She has 2 bags. They have a house in London. We had to go to school on Sunday. I had been to Mumbai. The present form of do is do, does. Past form is did and past participle done. You can watch my other video related to this topic and the link of the video is given in the description below. Let's look at the sentence. He does his work on time. They do not live in Mumbai. Last night, did he go to the party? अब आपने नोटिस करा did के साथ मैंने went to the party नहीं बोला, मैंने कहा did he go to the party. So जब हम did या does यूज करते हैं तो जो मेन वर्ब होता है वो अपनी पोजीशन फॉर्म में रहता है, उसकी फॉर्म चेंज नहीं होती है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. हैव यू डन योर मैथ्स होमवर्क? The present form of go is go, goes, past form is went, and past participle is gone. Let's look at the sentences. Go to your class. She goes to school every day. She is singular form, so we say goes. They went for a picnic last week. Have you gone to America? Present form of say is say, says. Past form is said and past participle is again said. Let's look at the sentences. Who says that I failed in the exams? Sit down, don't say a word. She said that she likes pink color. Present form of get is get, gets. Past form is got and past participle is again got. Sentences देखते हैं. Get your bag and go to school. He He got a new job. Have you got a pen? अब आपने एक चीज नोटिस करी कि पास्ट पार्टिसिपल जब भी हम यूज करते हैं हम उसके साथ हैव या हैड यूज करते हैं पार्टिसिपल बनाने के लिए. Present form of make is make and makes. Past form is made. Past participle is also made. Let us look at the sentences. Please make a coffee for me. ये है present tense. Did you make this? अब यहाँ पर नोटिस करिए did के साथ make की ओरिजिनल फॉर्म रखी है. did के साथ वर्ब की फॉर्म चेंज नहीं होती है, इसलिए यहाँ पर did you made this नहीं बोला गया है बल्कि did you make this. He made many mistakes in the exam. This is the past form of the verb make. This product is made in India. Present form of know is know and knows. Past form is knew and past participle is known. Sentences देखते हैं. He knows the answer of this quiz. They knew about the incident, but they did not tell us. I have known him since we were kids. So, participle में हम have या had लगाते हैं, तो participle have known या had known बनता है. Present form of think is think or thinks. Past form of think is thought and past participle is also thought. अब sentences देखते हैं. What do you think the answer of this question should be? This is in present form. What do you think about this? I thought that he was out of station. This is past form of think. Have you thought about my proposal? This is past participle of think. चलिए अब देखते हैं प्रेजेंट फॉर्म सी. सी की प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है सी सीज. पास्ट फॉर्म है सी की सॉ और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल है सीन. सेंटेंसेस हैं. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक. Yesterday, I saw Mona at the cinema hall. Have you seen my laptop? I kept it on the table. Present form of take is take or takes. Past form of take is took. Past participle taken. When we say in a sentence, we say take a pen and write your name on the paper. Or I took out my old clothes from the cupboard, which is a past tense. Have you taken my pen is a past participle. Present form of come is come or comes. Past form came. Past participle come. So present form और past participle come की एक जैसी ही होती हैं. Now let us look at the sentence. Hey, come home someday. She comes to school on time. They came for my birthday party. Came is a past tense of come. You have to come to school on time. Have come is the participle form of come. Present form of want is want or wants. Past form is wanted and past participle is again wanted. Let's look at the sentence. I want a chocolate. Another sentence. I wanted to go to America, but because of money crunch, I will not go this year. Who wants to see the solar eclipse? Present form of use is use or uses. Past form is used and past participle is also used. If we see the sentence, we can say, I use a spatula to stir the vegetables. They used their talent in the right direction. I have used this bag before. Used is the past tense and have used is the participle form. Present form of find is find and finds. Past form is found. Past participle is also found. Let us look at the sentence. I can't find the answer to this question. Next sentence. Did you find the bookstore? अब इसमें नोटिस करिए कि did के साथ find की ओरिजिनल फॉर्म लिखी गई है. Did के साथ वर्ब की फॉर्म चेंज नहीं होती है. हम यहाँ found नहीं लिखेंगे बल्कि find लिखेंगे. Next sentence. I found the dress in my closet. This is the past form of the verb find. Have you found a new house? Have found is the participle form of the verb find. Thanks for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.